Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. So first you can go to your start menu and then you have to go to your settings. So you can go to the start menu and then search for settings here. Now click on open or tap open. Here you need to look for update and security. Tap this one. And then as you can see below, there is this get ready for Windows 11, and to see if this PC can upgrade to Windows 11, you can check hardware requirements. So all you have to do is to click this one. Now, if you meet the requirements, all you have to do is to just upgrade your Windows 10 to 11. If you can see that one, then you can go to Microsoft Windows 11 download. You can tap this one right here, the first link that you can see. And once you tap this, it will take you directly to Microsoft page where it allows you to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. Now, all you have to do here is to just follow these steps. So it's like step 1, 2, 3. But this is how you basically upgrade your Windows 10 to 11. So here, what you're going to do is read the following. Now, of course, you need to download first the installation assistant and then create Windows 11 installation media. You need to download this one too and then download Windows 11. And basically that's it. So you need to download all of this so that when you install Windows 11 or upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11, there will be no files missing. So you need to follow all of this and you will upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. So just follow any of this method and you will successfully have your Windows 11 on your PC. So that's how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.